two particles of mass m1 and m2. Let this be m1 and this be m2. Are in projectile motion with velocities v1 and v2. Let this be v1, this be v2 bar. This is at time t equals to 0, and at time t equals to t0 they had a collision, and at time t equals to 2 t0 mass m1 is moving with velocity v1 dash and mass m2 is moving with velocity v2 dash. Now we need to find the quantity m2 v2 bar plus v2 dash bar plus m1 v1 dash bar minus m2 v2 bar plus m1 v1 bar. From Newton's second law we can write F equals to delta P by delta T. So consider m1 plus m2 as system. The force on the system is m1 plus m2 into g, which is equals to delta V by delta T. Now this quantity is delta P. So, and we have delta T equals to 2 t naught minus 0, which is equals to 2 t naught. So from this we get delta P equals to 2 t naught m1 plus m2 into g.